Well, doesn't look like it did very much, but 3 hours kind of looks the same, but this is what I took out of it. About 7 feet high right now. I could probably take a few more out. Very few live trees went down. It was mostly dead stuff and some smaller poplars. But I think the next job is to get in there and bush hog her down with the mower. That'll be the next job. Just prep work, and got a little bit of wood. Well, like always, guys, we really appreciate you watching, and stay tuned. We're collecting pallets again. This one may be an interesting one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment below. Take care. The beast. Let's see how she fares out against this stuff. Well, mower seems to be all righted itself, but I shut it down and tried to start it, and the plastic starter gear blew up on it. Of all the things, who the hell would make a plastic starter gear? That's stupid. And I don't have any wrenches here. Torx had to take that off. So looks like mowing with the mower is done today. So maybe the push mower. We'll finish it off with the push mower. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy parts for the beast. Starting to slow down. The drive belt may be wearing a bit too. I usually go through a set of belts every summer, but I may be abusing it. But we got a good area cleared out here, and may go a little deeper back in there with the whipper snipper. Too many stumps and stuff to do that with the mower, but it's a good start in our project.